I should be asleep, but you on my mind again. I know what this is, I ain't slow. You still tired, but you don't let me go. Say you leaving, but you moving low. I should walk away, I know. Yeah, I feel it deep, something ain't right, but I still answer every time you write. Got me caught up in between the lines, and I don't even like that side of me. I tell myself I'm done with you, then I slide right back to you. I know better, but I still want you. That's the part I don't say out loud. I see clear, but I play it cool. Act like I ain't figured you out. I know you're not fully mine, but you don't treat me like I'm not, and that's what keep me tight when I should let you go. Yeah, you say you trying, I can tell you mean it, but it ain't real if you still between it. I ain't the type to be sharing space, but I still let you in my place. I ain't confused, I just ain't ready to cut you off like I know I should. You feel too good and that's what's heavy. I hate that I still would. I tell myself this the last time, then you pull me right back in line. I know better, but I still want you. That's the part I don't say out loud. I see truth, but I bend the rules. Act like I ain't figured you out. I know you're not fully mine, but you don't treat me like I'm not, and that's what mess with my mind when I should let you go. Something in me keeps saying leave, but I don't move, I just breathe. Maybe I'm not ready yet, maybe I ain't done feeling this yet. No, this ain't right, but it feel right. I know better, but I still want you, even knowing what this is. I see clear, but I stay confused, caught up in a feeling like this. I know I deserve more than this, but I ain't fully let go yet. I'm somewhere in between it all, and I ain't ready